After opening the Aspen Plus, click New, then choose Blank Simulation and hit the Create button. It will load the workspace in few seconds. It depends upon the specs of your PC. So finally, the workspace has been loaded. So the next step is to enter the name of the component for which we are going to find maximum fill up of the tank. So in my case, component is propane, so I am going to add propane. There are a lot of ways by which you can add the component, so it depends upon you. After adding the component, click on Next and then choose a suitable method that fits better to your component. I am going to select Peng Robinson. After selecting the component, click on Next and then choose Go to Simulation Environment and hit OK button. It will take some time and finally will load the simulation worksheet. Now click on Separator and add the flash to our worksheet. Now add material stream. Click on this arrow to come back to the normal click mode. Now you can rename streams like propane, vapor and liquid. Next thing is to enter the values. So double click on propane stream and here choose vapor pressure and temperature. Enter the amount of the temperature on which you are filling the tank. So I am going to fill my propane tank at 25 degrees Celsius. Now here choose vapor fraction to be 0 because we are filling saturated propane. Now enter 1 here and click Next and then again choose temperature and vapor fraction. Now enter the maximum temperature that can be reached while filling. So I am going to enter 58 degrees Celsius and again choose 0 because we are dealing with the saturated propane, and then again click Next and it's asking you to run the simulation now. Click Cancel and then scroll down and click on Flow Sheeting option. Under Flow Sheeting option, click on Calculator and then click New. Now enter the ID you want and click OK. Now click on New and create two variables you like. I am going to create two variables with the name propane at 25 degrees Celsius and propane at 58 degrees Celsius. Next thing is to specify the values for our variable. So select propane at 25 and choose a stream and here choose stream variable. Then select stream and select propane stream. Under variable, choose mass density. In the information flow tab, choose import variable. Now you are done with the propane at 25 degrees Celsius variable. Now repeat the same procedure for propane at 58 degrees Celsius. Now you are done with the define tab. Click on Calculate and choose here Excel. Now click on Open Excel spreadsheet. Here write down in the following way. Then click on Add in and here choose propane at 25 degrees Celsius and here choose propane at 58 degrees Celsius. Now here you have to create a formula. Propane at 58 degrees Celsius divided by propane at 25 degrees Celsius and then multiply by 100. Now minimize the Excel tab and click on Sequence and here choose Last. Now click on Next and click on the Run Simulation Now. As you can see that the results are available. Now click on C1 tab and click on the Calculate tab. Now you can see that the percentage fill up value has been updated, and we can say that the value is 87.81256, means we can fill 87.81% volume of the tank with the propane, and we have to keep empty up to 13% of the volume of the tank.